In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track calls in Hubspot. Tracking calls in Hubspot is a simple way to keep your contact records accurate and make sure your team can see what happened on every phone conversation. When you log a call from the contact record, HubSpot saves the activity to the timeline along with the outcome you choose. This helps with follow-ups, reporting, and keeping everyone aligned. To get started, open HubSpot and go to your CRM. From there, select Contacts. This takes you to your contact list, where you can search or scroll to find the person you want to call and track. Once you locate the right contact, click the contact name to open their record. This is the main page where HubSpot stores details like contact information, recent activity, and communication history. Logging calls from here ensures the call is attached to the correct person. Next, look toward the top left area of the contact record and click the call icon. This opens the calling options connected to that contact. If your account is set up for calling, you will see a call option associated with the contact's phone number. Select the option that says Call, followed by the number on file. For privacy and accuracy, always confirm you are calling the correct saved number before continuing. After the call is completed, or if you are logging the result right away, choose an outcome. The outcome is important because it summarizes what happened, such as whether you connected, left a message, or did not reach the person. Picking the right outcome makes your call history easier to scan later and improves any reporting your team runs on call results. Finally, click Log Call. This saves the call activity to the contact's timeline so it is documented and visible for future reference. If you are working with a team, this is especially helpful because anyone viewing the record can quickly understand the latest touch point and what should happen next. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.